Video, we're going to focus on describing what is a panoramic image and a panoramic viewing online so you can see, create a scene and walk a panoramic scene. But we will also be able to model this in Twinmotion, but also in Lumion. The first thing is to understand as to what is it? What is a panoramic image? So if we actually look for panoramic images, it's basically you can see an image in 360. So if you just create an image of this, you can only see this. You can only focus on this. But a 360 image or a panoramic image allows you to be able to rotate and see all around. This is not a great example because as you can see when it rotates, something like this happens. But when it comes to architecture, there's some examples here that are done in Twinmotion, and so as you can see, very similarly, you can look around the whole room. Right? This allows you, or whoever's viewing this, to explore a little bit more the actual room as compared if you're only seeing this view. Right? You cannot move around, and so it allows you to move around. This is created through several panoramic images. So each image is a panoramic image, but when you combine them, it becomes a panoramic set, which in a way creates a virtual tour of your building. So let's say we start here, and there's these markers, right? And it allows you to say, I want to go into this room. So by clicking there, I'm simply going from image to image, but it almost feels like I am navigating through the space. So I can see here there's this baby room, and if I want, I can go back. I'm going to explore the restroom, and so on. Right? So in a way, it's a series of panoramic images, but when you put them in a set and you upload them to this viewer, you can actually walk around the building. So it's sort of important to know where you put these markers, and also you can just navigate by going back and forth. So it's also sort of important to place the correct markers or the right position, because if you, let's say you start in this room, let's say this would be your first scene, then your next scene is outside, it will be a little confusing for the viewer from traveling from the inside to the outside. So how these are placed in the order will also matter. So we will kind of go over that as well. Alright, so now that we sort of understand what they are, what is a panoramic image and a panoramic set, let's actually go into creating one.